Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious goat meat stew. This is the best goat meat stew ever. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always stopping by to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. So here are my ingredients for this stew. I have here my cooked goat meat. I've already pre-cooked this meat. As you can see, it's looking so yummy. So this is the tomato paste I'll be making use of. Here I have my pepper mix. I have a video of how I made this pepper mix. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, okay? So please check it out. So now we are going to start to make our stew. In a dried pot, I'm going to be heating up some vegetable oil. I'll add in my tomato paste. I'm not adding in onions, reason because I blended onions in my pepper mix, okay, but it's also optional. You can choose to add in onions, fry some onions, okay, before adding in your tomato paste. I usually add onions before going in with my tomato paste, but today I chose not to add onions. I just want to keep this to very simple. So let me know in the comment section, which do you add in first, your tomato paste or your fresh tomatoes, that's your pepper mix? Which one do you add in first? Some people usually add in their pepper mix before going in with their tomato paste. Me, I always add in my tomato paste before going in with my pepper mix. Let me know in the comment section the one you add in first. I'm going to fry this tomato paste until it is perfectly fried. And to know that your tomato paste is perfectly fried, when you see that the tomato paste has already scattered very well in the oil, or you can test it. If it's no longer tasting sour, then you know that your tomato paste is perfectly fried. So I'll continue to stir this at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt. Our tomato paste is perfectly fried now. Look how it is looking, like so lush, so yummy. So now it's time for me to add in my pepper mix. So I'm going to mix this to combine the tomato paste and the pepper mix together. Then I will cover the pot and allow this to fry, okay? Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please help me to share this video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Don't forget to like the video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. So now I will cover the pot and allow this to fry, and our stew is almost ready. Look how yummy the stew is looking like. You can see the stew is perfectly fried now, okay? So I'm going to be adding in my seasoning cube. I will stir this now to combine. Then I'm going to be adding in salt at this point, okay? I'm taking it easy on my seasoning because my goat meat is well seasoned. So now I'm going to be adding in my goat meat, okay? My cooked goat meat. And then I'll be adding in the stock too, and then I'll go in with some water. So now I'm going to stir to combine everything together. Remember, I added water to this stew, so I'm going to be testing for salt, and it needed me to adjust it. I'm going to be adding in salt, okay, because I went in with water. Depending on how thick you want your stew to be. Me, I don't really like thick stews, okay, so at this consistency is just okay for me. I'm going to cover the pot now and allow this to cook, and few minutes later our stew is almost ready. We are not done at this point. You can choose to eat it like this, okay, but I'm going to be adding in my curry leaf now. Okay, look how yummy this stew is looking like. So yummy, so delicious, guys. I hope you are going to be trying out this recipe. So now I'm going to be adding in my curry leaf to the stew. Guys, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Please help me to like, share, and do all the beautiful stuff to the channel, okay? I'm going to stir this, cover and allow this to cook for just a minute, okay? Just a minute, guys, and I will be right back. A minute later, our yummy and delicious stew is ready. Guys, this stew is so easy to make, so simple to make, but it's super delicious, guys. It's so yummy. I'm not even capping. This is the best stew I have made so far. Like, this stew came out so perfect, like so perfect and delicious. You can see, you saw how easy it was for me to prepare this stew. I hope you are going to be trying this out. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share my video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you